Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you what does Microsoft Authenticator do. So here it's pretty simple. So the Authenticator is a way to sign into your Microsoft personal, work, or other accounts. So you can use this as a two-step verification or multi-factor authentication. So all you have to do there is just register it right here. So here you can download it by scanning this QR codes right here. So this is for your Android and this is for your App Store. You can go ahead and scan it as you pause the video. So you can use Microsoft Authenticator for here. So let's just try to go here and sign into your accounts and such. So here you want to actually contact information. So you want to use your mobile app and you want to configure the app. So you have to install it in your Windows or Android or iOS and then scan it right here. And then here you will use the app that's going to be configured for your verification codes. So then you will have to enter that verification code once you enter it in your phone, and you'll be able to use your authenticator as usual. So they're going to ask additional security verifications by verification code or such, like mentioned, and it's just that simple. So you can use this as two-factor authentication to back up your Microsoft accounts. So there's other authenticators out there, but this one is dedicated for Microsoft. So there you go guys, if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.